Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Hanaa Hacks AI. And today I'm going to be showing you this tool that you see on the screen here called Gamma.app. Now, when I found this earlier this week, I was super excited because with just a prompt, very minimal work, you can actually create a great presentation. So let's get cracking. Well, as usual, first you're going to go to this Gamma app, which is Gamma.app, as I've written here on the screen. And once you do that, of course, you have to go through the whole sign up process, which is very simple and it's free as well. And then you will get this screen that says Create with AI. And you can paste in text, as in you can take an existing presentation notes or your meeting notes that you have and paste it, or you could just generate it with a prompt, or you could import a file such as an existing presentation or a PDF doc. So for today, I'm going to be trying generate. So now once you're here, now you can choose whether you want to do a presentation or a web page, document, a social media post, and how many cards do you want. Of course, the more cards you opt for, that's going to be on the plus plan or per plan. But I just want a very simple, maybe 3 cards. So, what I want to do is, I want to create a mindfulness exercise that I want to run with my team during our weekly check in. So, this is a prompt that I have written, and I have chosen the traditional page style, which will match any presentation. And of course, the language is English. So, let's generate the outline and let's see the magic. Okay, so now I'm seeing the text, so I can go in and edit the text. So, if I probably want to reduce or add anything, so maybe I want to remove this. Okay, and now we go to theme. I want a more calming theme, so I'm going to choose this. You can select how many text per card you want, brief, medium, or very detailed. You want AI images, or you're going to put your own images, and what AI model, but I think that's not necessary. Okay, let's go. And there you go, your presentation is ready. But now let me show you what more magic you can do over here. So you can actually click on the image, and if you want to change the image, or you can click on the Ask AI to and ask AI to make it into an animation. But of course, that's in a plus or pro plan. And anything else you make that will require credit, but you can do that if you want to. You can also add or remove any text, edit as you want to, delete any segment that you want. But there's another magic that I want to show you, which is you can add anything, any card with AI, right? So let's just say I want to show my team, why do you need to do this exercise? Probably you want to do it because it really helps with your health and emotional check in. So I'm going to say add a diagram or add a bar chart and data to show why this exercise is helpful. Refer to latest research. So there you have it, guys. A bar chart created with research. Now, of course, I have to fact check on this research, but I'm pretty sure it's accurate. And it's matching your theme, it's matching your font. It didn't take that much time. So imagine how fast can you create presentation when you have to. And once you're ready with this, you click on the word present over here and you can start presenting it right straight away from this app. Or maybe you want to share it as a PDF, so you can go to share as a link. You can publish to site, and that can just be published directly to your website. You can export it in PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides as PNG, or post directly to LinkedIn as well. Wow, this app is amazing. If you're not using AI to create presentation, then you really need to get started now. And let me know if you are going to use Gamma AI or any other app that you found exciting. Thank you for watching.